So here I have a Bluetooth hands-free car kit. Um, that I want to install on my 2007 Toyota Corolla. This car has got no Bluetooth system. Um, so here it is. Here is the unit. First E. That's the brand name. First E. So right here, install it. This is how you install it. It has the provision to charge your phone. This USB port produces 5 volts at 2.1 amp. It's rated 5 volts 2.1 ampere. Meanwhile, the unit has provision for card, for SD card, memory card. It has a mouthpiece, as a microphone. You can play music from your USB, or use a 3.5mm audio jack. Either way, if you don't want to connect to your phone with the Bluetooth, if your Bluetooth system is faulty on your phone or your device, you can play music with the USB port or use the audio jack, or you use a SD card, a memory card, that is, load your songs in the memory card and you put it right there. Okay, and put it into the cigarette port on it, and take your key just to the on position. Beautiful. Now you see here it's telling me the voltage of the car, which is 12.5. Okay, I also see the frequency, the radio frequency. It is set to right here. Okay, 107.5. Meanwhile, you can adjust that. If you want to change that, you go here, you press on the TX button. There you see the displayed. That's 107.9. If you want to adjust it forward or backward, that's how you adjust it. For me, I'm just going to leave it on 109.5. Where I am, this frequency, there is no interference. Meanwhile, you have to be sure, whatever frequency you're choosing, you have to be sure that there is no local radio frequency that is using that frequency. Otherwise, there's going to be interference, and you might not make the connection with your car radio might not be smooth. So you must make sure that this frequency you are choosing, you are setting your Bluetooth adapter to, is not used by any local radio within your area. That's very important to know that. Okay, so I'm just going to turn on my radio. You can hear the sound. There's no Okay, so that's 107.9. Right here, just press the TX button, says 107.9. So both the radio, the car radio set, and the Bluetooth adapter are set to the same frequency. So you see, both are paired now. And now you can play music, you can play songs from it. Compare your phone, your Bluetooth device to read and play music from your phone, and you get to hear the sound from the car's stereo system. Okay, thank you for your time.